What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel, and I'm back again with another video. This time we'll be unboxing the YEEZY 380 ONYX reflectives. Yes, so I finally got my 380 YEEZY's reflectives. I was waiting for them for quite some time, and let's go ahead with the unboxing. And of course, first off the bat, we have these extra laces. And here are the sneakers, the reflectives. You know, the funny thing is that I can't really see the pattern of the reflectives. It's very hard to see, but it's there. I mean, when the light shines on it in a different angle, you could see the reflected. Let me take the other pair out. It's the same exact thing. It's just reflectives. That's it. Once again, I'm a size 9.5. You have to get a half a size bigger because they do run a little smaller. The price on these reflectives will be $270 with tax. That's including tax. So this is how they look. Nice style, man. I love this style. Let's put it on feet. That's how they look on feet. Trying to get the reflectives so you could see. See, the 3M. I'm trying to see if you can see the 3M. It's there, but it's really hard to see with the light on. So I shut off the light just to put the flashlight, just to see if it comes on. Yeah, well, very comfortable, very durable sneakers. I don't know if you see it. Alright guys, this was a little small video, and please support me, subscribe to the channel, like the video, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.